Godfrey Wing serves many different industries and markets. We provide impregnation services to medical, aerospace and defense, the automotive industry, and throughout the industrial sector. One is in sealant. So when we seal parts, there is a specially developed sealant that is used, and the sealant, when properly applied, will indeed provide a 99.9% seal rate. The equipment that is used, we engineer from the ground up to final installation highly specialized equipment that is available for use in all of the industries that we serve. We have strategically located service centers. This is a location around the country, throughout North America, as well as in other countries, where our customers can send us their products for impregnation. At Godfrey Wing, we really value a learning culture. Throughout the organization, we value the ability for all of our employees to grow and develop in their given areas of expertise.
Our company culture is very employee-centric, very driven by our employees and striving to make it a place where they're comfortable to come, our open door policy.
The company culture is where we work as a team. I enjoy coming to work for Godfrey Wing because I see my friends every day. I do what I love.
Sustainability is a core part of how we operate the company. We are environmentally friendly. This means that at our service centers, for example, the way we operate them ensures that there is a minimum use of water, that there is a minimum generation of waste products.
Simply Better is more than a tagline, it's more than a theme, it's really the root of what we are at Godfrey Wing. And what's cool about it to me is it's customer-centric and internal-centric. From a customer point of view, customer needs better performance, they need better quality, better efficiency, and they need it to be simple, they need it to be easy. So Simply Better works from a customer point of view. Internally, we want our processes to be simple. We want everything that we do to be simply better every day.
In order to make the Simply Better really meaningful, and we closely work with the customers. We not only provide a new product, new equipment to them, we also provide first-class customer service to them. My job responsibility is in charge, develop new sealants, sealant technology, and sealant processing in the field. Impregnation is no longer just for sealing. Impregnation can be also used for other technology, or you can say the different new applications.
Looking forward, Godfrey Wing will continue to be a leader in developing new solutions for new materials, developing new products that allow impregnation to occur more efficiently at reduced cost.
From all of us at the Godfrey Wing family, we thank you for watching. For more information, please visit us online at godfreywing.com.